Hi, welcome. I will teach you the professional way to approach data exploration. A mistake beginners make is to jump too early into analyzing data they do not understand. They haven't spent enough time exploring. The resulting analysis is obviously too generic and often misses the point. I have 15 years experience providing professional services to major companies, including ExxonMobil, Shell, British Petroleum, Unilever, PricewaterhouseCoopers, KPMG, and many more. I have worked on high-profile projects including the bribery investigation that led the US Department of Justice to impose criminal and civil penalties for bribery on oil companies. This involved the use of advanced data analysis to acquire evidence. This course is for anyone who wants to be ready for real-life client projects. It sets you apart by providing you with robust techniques. If you want to learn the proper professional way to explore data so your resulting analysis is better appreciated by the client, hit the button to enroll. I look forward to welcoming you in the course.